Hi there, I'm Maris Del Rosario and I will be discussing all of these topics that are related in business analytics. First is, what is business process? Business process management is important because it can help you to improve your overall operations. Also, it can minimize your expenditures, give you better control of workflows, pinpoint operational deficiencies, and give you insights to make better business decisions. A business process is a series of steps performed by a group of stakeholders to achieve a concrete goal. Each step in the business process denotes a task that is assigned to a participant. It is the fundamental building block for several related ideas such as business process management, process automation, and etc. Next is, what is business function? It is a concept that represents what type of work an organization conducts, or its role within the business community. In fact, the entire structure of the organization typically depends upon its intended business function. Business functions can be divided into core functions and support functions. Core business functions are activities of an enterprise yielding income. Usually, the core business functions make up the primary activity of the enterprise, but they may also include other or secondary activities if the enterprise considers this as a part of its core business functions. Support business functions are ancillary or supporting activities carried out by the enterprise in order to permit or to facilitate the core business functions to its production activity. What is business information systems? It provides information that organizations use to manage themselves efficiently and effectively, typically using computer systems and technology. Primary components of business information systems include hardware, software, data, procedures, design, development, documentation, and people. Business firms and other organizations rely on information systems to carry out and manage their operations, interact with their customers and suppliers, and compete in the marketplace. Information systems are used to run out inter-organizational supply chains and electronic markets. And now let us see the differences between information technology and information system. Information technology, or IT, is innovations in storing, transmitting, and sharing information using hardware devices like telephone, radio, and TV or television. It also includes software, languages, and protocols such as Photoshop, Java, using computers and software. Businesses use information technology to ensure that their departments run smoothly. They use information technology in a number of different departments, including human resource, finance, manufacturing, and security. An information system, or IS, is a formal, socio-technical, organizational system designed to collect, process, store, and distribute information. We can easily get information using computer hardware, software, that also includes people, processes, data, or network. And next is, what is e-commerce or electronic commerce? It is a business model that lets firms and individuals buy and sell things over the internet. Examples of e-commerce that we usually encounter. We have Lazada, Shopee, Flipkart, Costco, and Amazon. And we all know that here in the Philippines, we use Lazada and Shopee because that is one of the most popular e-commerce today. Next is, what is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data, typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a database management system or DBMS. Some examples of databases you may encounter in your daily life are a telephone book, TV guide, airline reservation system, motor vehicle registration records, paper in your filing cabinet, files on your computer hard drive. Next is business intelligence. Business intelligence or BI leverages software and services to transform data into actionable insights that inform an organization's strategic and tactical business decisions. BI tools access and analyze datasets and present analytical findings in reports, summaries, dashboards, graphs, charts, and maps to provide users with detailed intelligence about the state of the business. So now, I will be discussing the advantages of business intelligence. The advantages of business intelligence are: it can improve management processes by planning, controlling, measuring, and/or changing results in increased revenues and reduced cost. It can also improve operational processes, fraud detection, order processing, and purchasing. Better adjustment settings, competitor analysis adjustment settings to changing trends. It can also predict the future by predictive analysis and forecasting. And now, let us know the disadvantages of business intelligence. Here are the disadvantages of BI. Number 1 is data breaches. One of the most pressing concerns with any data analysis system is the risk of leaks. Number 2 is high prices. Business intelligence software can be expensive. Number 3 is difficulty analyzing different data sources. The more encompassing your BI, the more data sources you will use. Number 4 is poor data quality. Surplus of data can mean that a lot of what your BI tools analyze is irrelevant or unhelpful, muddying result and slowing down processes. To avoid this, you can implement a data quality management initiative. It is resistance to adoption. Not all disadvantages of BI deal with the software itself, but you can help your staff accept BI by making it easier to integrate. If your software is user-friendly and everyone understands its benefits, you're more likely to adopt it. Next is, what is business analytics? Business analytics is a subset of business intelligence. Business analytics is generally implemented with the goal of identifying actionable data. Business analytics is more prescriptive, devoted to the methodology, by which the data can be analyzed, pattern recognized, and models developed to clarify past events, create predictions for future events, and recommend action to maximize ideal outcomes.